Hello game developers. The one thing that haunts every web developer also haunts some game developers. I'm talking about responsive design. You know, things on screen scale with the screen and stay where they are meant to stay. Here's the problem I have. I have a garage scene in my main menu. The game is for mobile and tablet, and I need to support multiple resolutions. Now with a simple camera, if I change the screen size, the camera does not correctly adapt. Either the car gets cut on the sides, or the player sees too much of the garage and will discover that the 3D artist left the boat. But lo and behold, our beloved Cinemachine is here to help us. Right click and create a target group camera. Now we have two things, a virtual camera and a target group. We can change some settings on the virtual camera, but some settings are locked and controlled via the target group now. So the target group have a few modes, but what we want to do is add a few empty game objects to create some boundaries. I'll start with 4. To save text storage space on my project, I will call them P1 to P4. Let's put them roughly where I want the camera to stay framed in. And of course, let's not forget to put them as targets. Speaking of targets, maybe click on this one as well? Thanks. Look at that, the camera already reacts. Let's do some quick tweaks and try it out. This works much better. But we have to still touch one more setting. On the virtual camera, go down to aim section, and there you can control how the target group changes the settings of the camera. The biggest win is changing the adjustment mode from zoom only to dolly then zoom. You can even set the min and max field of view. Cinemachine is amazing. Thanks so much for watching, go on your game, I'll see you next time.